year, making each day of the year, changing my life with a wave of a hand. Nobody can.
Happy birthday, Uncle Troy.
Ikaw.
Love you.
Ikaw, happy birthday, Uncle Trego.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Na Uncle Troy.
Happy birthday,
Na,
Uncle
na,
Troy.
love you.
Ato.
Love you, anak.
I do.
Ikaw, Gabe.
Love you.
Ana, take care din ha.
Take care din ha. Daddy,
Amping.
Amping.
God
Happy
bless.
birthday. Happy birthday, Uncle Troy. I love you.
Ikaw. Happy,
Birthday, Ate Dad.
love you.
Rebek. Rebek.
Na. Enjoy di ha.
Jadi ya.
Happy birthday, Trevor! God bless you always. Take care. Happy birthday, bro! Thank you sa mga birthday, bro. And enjoy your birthday. Sa'yo. Take care always. God bless.
Stay happy.
Kuya din wala diri nasa sa laing nasod Ginoo, but I'm very thankful Lord na naa iyang asawa sa Bijinjin ug yung mga nag ano pa diri namo Ginoo sa pag-celebrate sa iyang birthday Lord. Very thankful and happy birthday to you. Agboy buya, tatay pelaan.
Happy birthday, Troy. Mag-ingat ka palagi sa work mo, no? Love you. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Troy!
More blessings, good health, and happiness in life. Happy birthday, Jim!
Dahil sa inyo'y maraming salamat. Kaibigan ko, kaibigan ko, kaibigan ko. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Pangalan. Happy birthday to you. Pangalan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Troy!
Isa pa, yung malaki.
Diyan mo yun.
Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
ang iyong dahilan kung bakit ako'y pinili mo tinalagaan. Hindi ko kayang isipin, hindi ko kayang sukatin ang pag-ibig mo, Jesus, na iyong binigay sa akin. Salamat, salamat, oh Jesus, sa pag-ibig mo. Walang ibang nagmahal sa akin.
Ano yung soft drinks?
Salamat, salamat, oh Jesus, sa pag-ibig mo. Ako'y magsasaya sa piling mo. Kung may pagsubok man o kagipitan, ako ay may lalapitan. Ikaw, Jesus, ang aking sandigan. Hindi mo